Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
Even lost income for not being able to use the event space while being repaired, labor to replant the crushed gardens, everything. My brothers are not sure what to do and asked me to make the final decision. I almost decided to just ask for a smaller amount, get new, less expensive trees, stop having events for a few years and spend that time gardening to build a new space while the hedges grow again. But then I feel like I am cheating my brothers and myself out of what we are entitled to, or I get angry and upset because I really just liked how things were and what we did. I love the time I spent with my brothers and I am really proud of what we built together. Then I get anxious and angry that I am even in this position to begin with. I know emotions should not play into it, but I cannot seem to extract one from the other. I really don't want to be an entitled a-hole, but I don't want to be a chump by going too far to be sympathetic. Does anyone have any insight to offer as to the probable consequences for everyone else affected? Please tell me if I am being ridiculous in either direction. I have never felt more confused about anything. Again, thank you to anyone who takes the time to read this. I try to be concise and will answer any questions you have.